Let's dive into division. 344 divided by 2. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning with us, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's get started. We're diving into 344 divided by 2. We look at the first digit of 344, which is 3. We need to see how many times 2 fits into 3. 2 fits into 3 one time, so we write 1 above the 3. Now let's multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. We write 2 below the 3. Time to subtract. 3 minus 2 leaves us with 1. This is our remainder for this step. Great job, you're doing awesome. Now let's bring down the next digit 4 to join our remainder 1. Get ready for the next step. Okay, we have a 1 and a 4, making 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? We bring down the 4 from 344 and place it next to our remainder 1, forming the number 14. Think of your 2 times tables. 2 times 7 is 14, so 7 is our next number in the answer. Let's check our work. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. Perfect. Subtracting 14 from 14 gives us 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you're crushing it. We've got one more digit to go. Let's bring down the last 4 and see what happens. Last step, we have our remainder 0 and the last digit 4, making the number 4. How many times does 2 fit into 4? We bring down the final 4, placing it after the 0. Now we have 4 to divide by 2. Easy peasy, 2 goes into 4 exactly 2 times. Write 2 in the answer. Let's multiply. 2 times 2 equals 4. That matches. And 4 minus 4 is 0. We have no remainder left. You did it! Fantastic work! And that's all the digits. We've successfully divided 344 by 2. Great job! So, 344 divided by 2 equals 172. We just conquered dividing 344 by 2, step by step. Remember, even big numbers become manageable when we break them down. Keep practicing, and you'll be a division whiz in no time. Great job, everyone! Keep that curiosity sparkling and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.